I was riding the other day and noticed the chain was very loose. So when we went to tighten it and undo some bolts, we noticed that I'm looking in the wrong spot. That this bolt is completely bent, and we have a very strange situation that we aren't sure how to fix just yet. First, we're going to try and see if it even comes out, and it probably won't the way it's tweaked. So now we're setting up a tool so we can cut the bolt, hopefully. Okay, we cut through it, and now we're taking out the rest of the bolt. Okay, here is the old bolt. You can see where we cut through it because it was bent, if that wasn't made clear earlier. All right, we are now removing the chain to be replaced.
Slipped. Oh no, it came off. Sorry. I've never heard of a chain that does not have a master link, but it must be that way from the factory
Yeah.
for some reason. Lockers go on.
Yeah, you make weird faces when you work. Here.
Much heavier.